right, this is a game called Puppets, in which we're going to need 2 volunteers to come up and move our actors because they can't move themselves. And they're going to need somebody to volunteer. All right, there's one. Very good. All right, Marie, come up.
Another one. All right.
All right, here we go. All right. So in this one, you don't have to say anything. You just have to move them around, okay? So what'll happen is they'll start the scene. I know my back's to you. Just forgive me for a moment.
We're used to it. Enjoy it.
Okay, yes, just enjoy.
She's making you look perfect.
I know that.
That's good.
So they'll need, if they need to talk to each other, it's good to move their head. They can't move themselves at all.
Just their mouths.
Yeah.
Just for
So move them around, make sure that they get some action into this scene. So let's get a location. Where are they?
Jail.
Jail.
Again?
What?
Okay, not jail.
What jail? Which jail? Where's the jail?
In Germany?
There. They're in a jail in Germany.
Germany, okay.
What's their relationship?
Debtors.
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 Debtors?
Something good, Joe.
Yes.
Friends.
No!
Okay.
That's
One
my
more.
husband and I were just looking at each other.
Chicken thief.
No.
Chicken thieves. She's a chicken thief, and was he? He's a debtor. You're a debtor and you're a chicken thief.
Chicken thief.
In a jail in Germany. And I'm not going to change it. That's it.
Are you sure?
Here we go, puppets. Go!
So we are here out in the. I am standing proud here out on the recreation tarmac for the prison. Yes, you are the requisite distance from me. Very good. I will now salute. You should salute this way. Yes, I'm listening. I am listening. Yes, I am here. Let me look over at you and engage you in the conversation. Hi.
Hi!
You are cool.
We are #1 thieves.
I will pull your finger.
That is exactly what I was hoping for.
Good. We will pull the finger.
Ah!
The sound effects is the next game. I will give you the thumbs up also.
Oh my!
Oh yes, there we go. Thumbs up. Mine is much more casual than yours. And I will bow to you graciously. My head will stay and my all right.
I'm getting kind of a headache. I think it's from Facebook withdrawal.
Okay. This is enough. I will now walk to the other end of the recreation yard.
I would love to see that if I can pull my hand away from my face.
I will go
Oh,
to. I will
hi.
Go. Hi. I'm walking to the left. There we go. Excellent. Okay. I am walking to the left. We are going to duel with our dirt pistols.
Dirt pistols, yes.
Yes. Normally you should go the other way for a duel.
Uh-oh. When my hand falls, we start to the duel.
All right. And
Lights, camera,
I will be
action!
ready. And I'm about to fall over. I'm out of balance.
I think you got the first shot despite my fingers being ready for several minutes now.
Okay.
What happened to the chicken thief?
Well, we're in jail.
I will shoot the chicken thief. I'm going to throw dirt at you now.
Wait! Stop! I'll share my chickens with you.
High five.
Oh, that's
Never mind.
double high five.
Okay.
But
Here I come.
There you go. Move his leg around there.
Oh.
Boom. We are now balanced in the traditional prison yard face-off.
This is good. My back has been killing me. I could use some yoga.
Oh, look.
Downward dog.
I suggest you do the downward dog.
Let's see if I can remember how.
I will join you.
I think I'm backing up. Yes. Okay.
Sure, there's some down.
Here I go.
And then, yes. Okay.
Oh,
Bending at the knees.
That just feels so much better.
All right. This feels more like an atlas.
Close enough.
It's the German position. Okay.
All right. And on the count of 3, we will race to opposite ends of the prison yard.
Yes, a race. That sounds like fun.
On your mark. Get set. Go.
I'm giving you a head start.
All right.
Oh,
Thank you.
no, here I go. It looks like I'm crawling.
All right.
Okay.
Crawling
Oh,
competition.
I think I'm making a U-turn.
All right, and there we go with Buffets. You can get up now.
I think I might need some assistance.
Well, you've got someone there to help you.